Hi guys, Eric from TheWiscoGuyz here. I'm going to work on the Dr200 again. So I'll kind of explain what happened the last time I took it apart. Took the gas tank off, seat off to get to the carburetor there. Moved the air box back. That's how I gained access to it. I don't know, it was kind of tough getting back in. Getting out wasn't too bad, but getting back in was a nightmare. But got it all back together, and as you see there's a C-clamp there holding the gas line down. Now, when I put it all back together, I got everything buttoned up, put the hoses on, and fired it up, and it was perfect. It ran great. Rode it probably a good 2 miles, and I put it back in the garage. Let it sit overnight. My dad came over, and he wanted to ride it. So I said, yeah, go ahead, and it should fire right off, you know. And sure enough, fired right up. He got down the alley, came back, and it started leaking gas. It started leaking gas pretty much right out of the front of the carb into the air box, right there, and it was leaking right onto the case there. So what I've done is I've let it sit all summer, and then finally October I bought a carb rebuild kit just to see if this works. I don't know if it's going to. I hope so, but it's kind of what I've been told. Just do a rebuild kit. But yeah, let's start getting this torn apart. So I got the seat off, tank is off, so now we're gonna go and get the carb out. So getting the carburetor out, how I did it was you take gas tank off, seat off, side plates off, and then the air box, you loosen that up, and there's 2 bolts, one on each side, one right there, and you just push back on the air filter, and then it just comes like right out. So that's how I did it. I don't know if it'll work for you guys, but that's what I did. So got it out. I've had this out once before, so it's not a big deal, but we'll go through here, get this torn apart, and start putting the new parts in it. So I got the bottom of the bowl off, and then I got the diaphragm out thingy. I don't know what that's called. We got the bowl off and got the float off and the pin for the float. Float goes in. I'll hold that.
Sure.
The float goes in here, sits in there. There's a pin that goes from here to here. That holds that float on there. So yeah, but we need to get to the items under there for this carb rebuild kit. So from here, I'm going to do it one by one and just go through and just lay everything out. Pick the parts I need from here, put them back in there, and like I said, just do it one by one. So as I go along, each one will get replaced. I don't want to take them all out at the same time, because then I'll get lost and don't know what to do. So I pulled out this. I don't quite know what it's called. The screen on it. And this as well. I think this is like the needle jet. I don't know. No idea. Some type of needle that goes inside there. Yeah, the needle goes inside there. So, but yeah, got that changed out. New one's in there, and I think we should be good there. So on to the next. I'm gonna start on this here now. So I got that new fitting on, and yeah, I have this. I think it goes inside there. So I don't know. I'm gonna look it up and see how that goes in there or what. I might just leave it. But there's 2 little portholes. I don't know if you can see that or not on each side. So those probably do something. And I would imagine if those get clogged, it's probably not good. So I gotta figure that out. But I gotta go get screwdrivers small enough to fit in there, into those 2 holes, there and there. So I'll check in with you when I get back.
Picked up these new screwdrivers. Picked up these new screwdrivers too. Oh wait. going to.
So got everything in there. I have extra parts, and I don't know why. Can't figure out where they go. So I know I found one.
It's like a puzzle.
Yeah. Yep, one right there. I get that right in there in the photo. Alrighty, little update here. Got the carb in. It took a while. Got the airbox bolted back down. I have to grab the jump pack from work. I think it's too dead. Yeah. So grab the jump pack from work. The battery is new, like 2 months ago, but what can you do? So, but yeah, I will run to work, grab that. I'm probably gonna put it all back together, so the next time you see it, it'll be all fully back together, and then we'll go from there. See if this thing runs. So I'll check in with you probably right before we go to start it. So see you then. Well, I got everything back together, and I realize I'm missing a piece. Forgot to put it back in the carburetor. Dummy me. Where the heck is it? Right here. Whoopsie. So yeah. That sucks. Get it back in there here. Another day. So this weekend, I'm going to go down to Rock Falls International Raceway. I'm going to be taking the Focus ST down there. Also going to go with my buddy Mike. He's got a couple cars, but I think he's going to be taking his 08 Vet. I think it's 600 crank horse from what he's told me over the years, but yeah, just keep an eye out for that video. This video should be coming out before then, so it'll be the next video after this one. But thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like button, thumbs up, comment below, and definitely subscribe too. Definitely subscribe. Every subscription from you guys motivates me to do more and more videos. So, but thanks, guys. Have a good night. Thanks for watching.